This is Shipra. I welcome you on behalf of Yellow Class for a DIY activity. What we are going to do today is we are going to make this origami yacht, or you can say a boat. So what all things do we need is just a origami sheet. But before I start, you all know what we do. So let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. So here I go. Take our origami sheet. Any color is good with me. I have taken this yellow one. Okay. Keep it like this. This is again 15 by 15 centimeter. Fold it diagonally. So what I have done, I have just folded diagonally. Yes, fold it diagonally and then like this. So we are folding it like this. Okay, so I have taken a yellow origami sheet, folded it like this, then I have folded it like this, and it's very simple. Just fold it like this, and then you can turn it a little bit from here also. Your boat is ready. Is it fine, kids? Okay, it's quite simple and you can easily do it. Do share your videos, do share your comments. We love watching your videos. Thank you for watching this video. I, Shipra, on behalf of Yellow Class, will meet you again. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.